Another most awaited film of 2019, Student of the Year 2 का ट्रेलर आ चुका है सामने.
Well, of course, there was a lot of buzz around Student of the Year 2 because Coffee with Karan में आए थे and you know they were really promoting and everyone was waiting. But I must say, the trailer looks good, but I'm a little disappointed only because it looks very similar to the first movie, Student of the Year. Now, I can see the same flips, I can see the same competition happening. Of course, Student of the Year, of course, it will talk about the campus, it will talk about your school and you know उस अंदर क्या होता है. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि थोड़ा सा ना स्टोरी में कुछ अलग होगा, थोड़ा सा कुछ हो भी सकता है. It's just the trailer, but trailer से जितना समझ में आ रहा है, I must say I am a little disappointed.
Not only you, in fact, some of the people who have commented on the trailer are also saying something similar. They're saying same story, same competition, same love triangle, same friendship, same story with zero logic. Absolutely disappointed. I think Student of the Year was better, but I also feel कि in retrospect Student of the Year was better क्योंकि eventually it gave us 3 superstars. अगर हम if we look back and we see were they at their best, they weren't. But of course seeing कि यहाँ पर 3 new talent debut कर रहे थे, उस हिसाब से it of course became bigger than what it was because it gave us Alia, Siddharth and Varun, and we don't know what kind of Bollywood big stars are now in the making through this. And Tara and Ananya are both debuting with this movie, and I have to say Tara Sutaria is anyway somebody जो Bollywood के circle से बाहर से आई हैं. She has been an extremely talented girl जिसको especially उनके talent के basis पर लिया है. Absolutely, but here after seeing the trailer I had to say that I didn't see the magic of Tara Sutaria, and I want to go easy on her because it's her first big movie. It's a Dharma movie. Yeah. I mean cameras, sets, everything could be overwhelming for you, and I think वो overwhelmingness दिखा on the part of Tara, but in the same place. But at the same place, मुझे Ananya Pandey, I think she had that spark which I wasn't kind of expecting. Were you also kind of surprised?
No, I wasn't. I'm quite surprised. I'm very impressed with, you know, थोड़ा सा जो भी उनका, you know, glimpses हमें दिखाई दिया है ट्रेलर में, उसमें मुझे तो impressive लगा है because Ananya, because when I see her do interviews and the person I see on screen in that trailer are 2 completely different individuals. Maybe also because her character demanded that sort of authoritativeness or
that sassiness that came out.
Absolutely. लेकिन अगर Tiger Shroff की बात करें, Tiger Shroff is already established. He's had a big hit with Baghi and Baghi 2. तो हमें पता है टाइगर की capabilities क्या है. We know what a great guy in martial arts and action.
The same tiger everywhere.
Absolutely. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमने थोड़ा सा जो ये यहाँ पर एक्शन दिखाया है, थोड़ा सा हीरोपंथी, थोड़ा सा बागी 2 से लिया गया है. और I'm amazed कि student also is so well built with you know 8-pack abs in place. Of course अगर ऐसा student हो तो inspirational है, लेकिन टाइगर को मुझे लगा थोड़ा सा मेलो डाउन करेंगे इस फिल्म में ताकि वो स्टूडेंट की तरह उस किरदार में वो फिट हो.
वैसे in their defense I would say that even Varun and Siddharth had the abs and they were showing a lot of their body through Student of the Year 1, but I feel कि अब Student of the Year 2 had to bring in something more than the great bodies and the hair poker straight in place and these glam dolls that we see. I mean, of course ultimately we are showing a school life, and school life, like they say, is lot more things, like lot more push and pull than just being love stories being unraveled. And I feel वो जो disconnect, and especially when we are seeing such great cinema getting made even in a smaller budget, that big disconnect is going to be a point जो audiences भी कहेंगे कि what else. Like of course we've seen the great sets, of course we've seen amazing you know dolls and hair in place, and we've seen the action sequences which are too good to be true, but then what more?
Also कभी-कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि ट्रेलर बहुत ही आपको डिसअपॉइंट कर देता है बट फिल्म जबरदस्त होती है, एंड समटाइम्स ट्रेलर बहुत बढ़िया होता है एंड फिल्म समवेयर लेट्स यू डाउन. सो इट्स टू अर्ली टू जज राइट नाउ. ट्रेलर ही आया है, शायद अगर आप जाकर फिल्म देखोगे तो शायद स्टोरी प्लॉट में कुछ अलग हो, कुछ ट्विस्ट हो विच वी कांट डिसाइड राइट नाउ. अभी तो डिस्कशन हो रही है बस थोड़ी से डिसअपॉइंटमेंट के लिए क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशंस रेस थी, बट वील हैव टू स्टिल वेट एंड वॉच फॉर द फिल्म टू रिलीज एंड गो चेक इट आउट फॉर आवरसेल्व्स.